खाना खाने का चलते फिरते उठते बैठते, they want to eat. This is hobby. Less activity or no activity. Less activity or no activity. Then psychological effect. We'll talk in detail afterwards for psychological effect. High level of meals of animal food. Now, animal food is, one is meat, which is animal food. Okay? The other is milk and milk product. This is also animal food. Then junk food. Let me tell you something about junk. Let me ask you a simple question. What is the dictionary word meaning of junk? Can anybody will tell me? Dictionary word meaning of junk. Garbage, rubbish. The dictionary word meaning of junk is rubbish. And we proudly, when we talk on the phone, we proudly say, today we have planned for junk. Today we have planned for rubbish. Today we have planned for garbage. I don't know how people talk on that. How people say that. Proudly they say, I had junk today. They should say, I had rubbish today. They should say, I had garbage today. Now what is this garbage? Garbage in the form of burger. Burger is garbage. Burger is rubbish food. Burger is kachra. Okay? Pizza, again the junk food. We get fascinated to all those advertisements given on the TV. Isn't it? 1 minute में आपको पिज्जा नहीं मिला तो you get that pizza bill. You call. 10 कस्टमर में 2 कस्टमर को वो लोग फ्री देते हैं and those 2 customers start talking. And those 2 customers start talking and we get attracted to such nonsense. Fast food, which is fast prepared. Fast food is prepared fast. 2 मिनट बाबा, बेबी 2 मिनट. नाश्ता करने का स्कूल से आया बच्चा 2 मिनट. Now 2 मिनट का नाश्ता. The whole day the mother is at home, but she wants to prepare nashta in 2 minutes when the child gets into the house, enters into the house. Till then she feels there is no responsibility for her to prepare food for her child. We get fascinated कि 2 मिनट में हो सकता है, सो जाओ. So गए वजन बढ़ाओ. Then fried foods. Now these fried foods are not simple fried food, but deeply fried food. Now deeply fried food means when the food is there swimming in the oil. Okay? When the food is there swimming in the oil. Batata vada, samosa, jalebi, bhaji, bundi, whatever you say which swims into the fry pan is deep fried food. Okay? So deep fried food also is the root cause of obesity. Then processed food. Food is processed and then it is tipped with preservatives with different chemicals which are very, very harmful to our body. Kurkure, processed food, just because that heroine, what is her name? Huh? Juhi Chawla. I like Juhi Chawla. Juhi Chawla takes kurkure. I also start taking kurkure. Isn't it? Juhi Chawla is liked by so many people. Kurkure people have thought, now let us take Juhi Chawla as our model, so that the people who like Juhi Chawla will start eating kurkure. And they are successful in that. Everything. Kurkure means not only kurkure. I don't want to mention one brand name. It's all, everything. It's a processed food. जितना थैली बैग में मिलता है सब food. Okay? And soft drink. Now let me tell you something about yesterday's patient. When I took the history of this boy, 7 years old, who was 55 kg, I asked him, the whole day I didn't found anything. He's eating extra. But in the night dinner, I said, after dinner, what do you do? Because dinner ke baad kuch nahi karna. I said, you have to say, tell me everything. Mother said, नहीं वो बाद में चाचा का घर है, तो boy goes to there, चाचा के घर में जाता. I said, what do you have there? Pepsi Cola. Every day he takes 2 Pepsi Cola, 300 ml. That is 600 ml of Pepsi Cola after dinner and ice cream. Now after dinner, if you take these calories and if you go to sleep, is this calorie can be utilized? No. It will get deposited in the body. It will get deposited in the body because it is not utilized. Any calorie which is consumed by a body and not utilized within 3 hours get converted into fat. Any calories which enters into the body or absorbs into the body and not utilized. You understand what is utilized? उसका इस्तेमाल नहीं हुआ. 3 घंटे के अंदर अगर उसका इस्तेमाल नहीं हुआ, these calories get converted into fat. Yes.
What way does the food get utilized in the body?
You exercise, you work, you do activities, physical activities. If I eat and if I sit, my calories are not going to get used, isn't it? If I eat and I go to sleep, my calories are not going to get used. They are not going to get utilized. But if I eat after some time, half an hour, I start working, if I go somewhere while walking, definitely I start utilizing this calories or using these calories. Now, what happens? Once this calories is converted into fat, it is like 1,000 rupee note. You don't get chutta anywhere. Understand? You don't get chutta anywhere, hence it is never utilized. 1,000 रुपए का नोट आपको इस्तेमाल करने का होगा, 10 दुकान में आपको घूमना पड़ता है. You understand? 10 दुकान में आपको घूमना पड़ता है, भाई छुट्टा दो, भाई छुट्टा दो, भाई छुट्टा दो. नहीं है छुट्टा, 1,000 रुपए का नोट देगा, नहीं मिलता, चलो जाओ, नहीं मिलता, जाओ. Whatever reason. But once it is converted into 1,000 rupees note, it will not get done. The same way, if once the calorie is converted into fat, it is difficult to come back into again energy. There are so many processes to go to get converted from fat to energy. Why do people gain weight? Obesity is a personal disorder. When a person's body is not in order, that is, his system is disturbed, he becomes obese. Okay. That is the meaning of first sentence, obesity is a personal disorder. A large proportion of overweight arises from psychological effect. Now here I want to explain you that what is psychological effect. Let me tell you, if you are angry man, you will put on weight. If you are angry man, you will put on weight. If you have anger disorder, you will put on weight. You get overindulged into food. गुस्से में हो, तुम्हारे पास में कोई नहीं आता है, you are alone at home, open the fridge, open the refrigerator and उसके ऊपर गुस्सा निकालो. Whatever is available, chocolates are available, chocolates, if ice creams are available, pastries are available, pastries, cakes are available, cakes. So सारा गुस्सा फूड के ऊपर निकालो, because आदमी तो सब भाग जाता है, तो गुस्से वाला इसके बारे में कौन करेगा? Emotional strain. If I am frustrated, I will put on weight. मायूस हूँ, put on weight. मैं जब मायूस हूँ, मैं जब frustrated हूँ, what will I do is, I will keep aloof from people. I will stay away from people. No, stay away means stay at home. Again, stay at home means open the fridge. Again, open the fridge means have all calories from that fridge to this fridge. Okay? When you are boredom, you put on weight. When you are unhappy, you put on weight. When you feel you are lonely, you put on weight. When you feel you are unloved, you put on weight. These are all psychological